Lot number 3592A. Here we have ourselves a 2003 Kawasaki ULTRA 150. It's got a bad engine. Customer brought it to us. He's gonna fix it, and decided he's not gonna fix it. So we got it already tore down into a bunch of pieces. If you want to buy parts off this machine, give Mardo's Motorsports a call at 218-844-4968. As you can tell, it's a Minnesota freshwater jet ski. Current tab's 2019. The video date on this machine is August 23rd of 2018. Sorry about the moving around there. Should take the seat off. There we got the motor all disassembled. The pump is for sale. All the cylinders will be for sale. They all are OEM Nickel. Thanks for stopping by.